How to use the Adidas app. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Adidas app. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to App Store or Google Play Store and download the Adidas application. Type in Adidas and this is the original website. So simply download this app and then click on open and you'll be redirected to the Adidas application. After that, first thing that you need to do is sign in. So you're going to click on this profile icon at the top right and you should see these two options, login, join for free. If you don't have an account already, click on join for free and simply log in with your Apple account, Google account or any other account. So I'm going to click on login, click on continue and type down your credentials of your Google account. So once you are logged in, you should see some options like these, such as order history, where you can view all your orders, past and present. So if you have any processing orders, any orders that you had previously placed, or any order that you have to receive, you should see all of them over here. And then we have is vouchers and gift cards. So as you use the application and order many items, they will give you vouchers and gift cards that you can redeem. And then you can manage your personal details and settings from here. And we have is address book. You can add or edit your shipping address. And then we have is payment methods. You can add, edit or remove a way to pay. And then you have is my rewards, explore your points, level and rewards, tickets and events. And if you need to talk to any representative, you can simply click on need help. So now coming to the application, first is homepage. You can simply click on this icon at the bottom left in order to get yourself to the homepage. So we have different categories over here. So let's say you want to buy this over here. Simply select the category and then you go to search for any product. You can go to the search bar and search for any product, or you can use the filters over here at the top. For example, let's go with clothing. You're going to click on clothing. And then you can select what you want to buy. For example, we're going to go with this training jacket. Click on it. And then you should select the size over here, what kind of size you want to order. And then click on add to bag. Once you click on add to bag, you can simply click on view bag in order to view all of your orders that you have added to your bag. In order to head over and see what items you have added to bag, you're going to click on this icon at the bottom. And over here is your shopping bag. You should see all of your items. Now, if you're satisfied with all of these items and you want to place an order, you can click on checkout and then you will be redirected to another interface that would ask you to add your shipping address. Click on select shipping method. And there are two ways. You can either get it delivered to a specific address such as home, or you can ship it to an Adidas store of your choosing and you can collect it from there. So you can select the one that you want and then you can simply click on place order. Now you can also use some promo codes if you have. Click on promo code. You can click on add promo code over here again and simply type down your promo code in order to get various discounts. And now here we have this favorite tab. So now let's say there are some items that you don't want to buy right now, but you want to add them to your favorites or wish list. You can simply do that by going to any of the item and you should see this heart icon right next to every item. Simply click on this heart and then when you go to your wish list, you should see all of the items that you have added over here. And then when you find it convenient, you can simply click on add to bag and add the items to your bag in order to proceed checkout. You can also head over to the search tab over here in order to search any items such as shoes, clothing, accessories, whatever you want. You can also check what kind of sale is active right now. And then you can also, redeem your gift cards and what thing is new to sale, and also check what items are under the sport category and what are new and trending right now. We also have this ID Club over here in the application where you can see all of your orders, your rewards, your points history, and you can also spend the points that you have earned, and you can also earn new points by sharing your style and completing some profile items. So that is basically how you can use Adidas app. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.